Hi, thanks for purchasing the C-Start Smart Switch. By now, you've installed your new switch and you notice the ring is not flashing blue, showing that it's connected. If the ring is flashing red, the circuit is overloaded. The maximum load rating is 150 watts for LED and 450 watts for incandescent or halogen. If the circuit is overloaded, we recommend you replace your existing bulbs with dimmable, energy-efficient LED bulbs, or installing the switch on a circuit with less bulbs on it. If the lights don't turn on, here are a couple things you can try. Check that the air gap switch is depressed. If it's not, press it in. That will send power to the socket. If that's not the problem, double-check that the power to the switch is on at the breaker. If the power is on and your ring still isn't lighting up, you should turn the power off at the breaker box again and remove the switch from the box to ensure that everything is secure and wired correctly. Most importantly, making sure the lead and load wires are correct. Need more help? Visit our troubleshooting page on our website. We hope you enjoy your switch to smarter lighting.